It's very important to clean your windows and tracks before installing WexWindows. Slider windows can be removed from their tracks. Check your vendor's website for instructions on removing and reinstalling slider windows. In this video, you can see that this slider window can be removed by pulling up and out from the bottom track. After removing the window sections, clean debris out of the tracks. You should vacuum and wipe the tracks clean. This helps ensure that the windows are in their best possible operating condition. Thoroughly clean both sides and edges of each window section. Clean the glass panes with your preferred glass cleaner, using a lint-free microfiber cloth or Bounty paper towels. Before reinstalling the windows, spray silicone into the tracks so that the windows glide easily. Make sure that the rollers are in good condition. It's a good time to replace the rollers if they're worn. Once the windows are reinstalled, use the WexEnergy High-Low Profile tool to check that your windows have the clearance needed to open and close after the Wex windows are installed. At this building, low-profile skins respect. Open the window a couple of inches. Using the L side of the tool, insert the L into the gap. You should be able to easily slide the tool up and down. If the windows in your building respect as high profile, use the side of the tool marked with an H to check the window clearance. If the windows don't have enough clearance or glide easily, check the window's track for debris that you may have missed or spray additional silicone in the tracks. Go to WexEnergy.com for more information or email info@wexenergy.com.